Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video, I will show you how you can set fingerprint lock on the WhatsApp. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the WhatsApp and you will see three dots on top right. Click on it and you will see setting option. Click on it and then you will see privacy option. Click on it. After that, scroll down the page and you will see fingerprint lock. Click on it. So turn it on and enter your fingerprint. After that, if you want to set your time that automatically lock immediately, then click on immediately. So if you want that it will lock after 1 minute, then click on after 1 minute and after 30 minutes. It select it according to you. When I will go back, when I will open the WhatsApp, it will ask me about the fingerprint. So when I will open through fingerprint, it will open, otherwise it will not open. So it will give us more security. So in this way you can add fingerprint lock on the WhatsApp. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video or subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.